Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I got another bag of Happy Meal today. Muttley has been desperate to see this open because he's wanting the bag. Now this was sent by Yvonne Phillips. Thank you so much, Yvonne. It was really kind of you to offer to send this. Amazing, amazing. Now I'm going to open this up and I think I might be able to just open it from up here if I can grab a piece of this bag. There we go, get this opened through all that sellotape. There we go. I'm going to close these. Ouch! I'm going to close these. They're sharp. They are. I'm okay. I haven't stabbed myself with them. I got a fright. I won't be using those again to open up a bag. They should only be used for snipping yarn. So I'm going to turn it this way. And we'll pull this open. That's so funny. Yeah, I think I might cut that out, but actually, do you know something? I think I just might leave it in just to show how dangerous scissors are. So we'll open this up. It's stuck with the sellotape. Never mind that. And Muttley's desperate to get up and get. Oh, there's a bag in a bag and another bag. I'm going to take this one out first. Now, she did say, I'll leave that just now because she told me that she was sending something and would I be able to use it? And I said yes. Now, look at this. This is a pretty little bag of yarn. The label for that one. It's a new fashion double knitting. It's 100 grams. Listen to Muttley crying because he wants a bag. We'll give you a bag in a minute. Do you want a... Right, what we'll do is... Now, they're bags inside bags, so we'll take this out. Oh, it's so pretty. And we'll pop that there. Not quite so much a surprise, but... Oh, that's so pretty, that colour. But I'm going to put that down so Muttley can play with it, so he can have a bag. Where's your ball? Go and get your ball. That's it. Give Mummy your ball. Good boy. Now I'll put this one down out of the way just now. So I've given Muttley the bag to keep him quiet. So we've got this navy. Oh, that one's a black one. Shade 94. Is that? Yep. This one is a navy blue. That's so nice. It's a wool craft yarn and it's 100 grams of double knitting. It's really nice. This yarn is really nice to crochet with, this brand. It's a really lovely brand to crochet with. I'll just tidy that up a little bit and I'll hold that on with that. It's 100 grams, 100% acrylic, and there's 30 meters in it. You can machine wash it at 40. Tells you not to iron it. That is so pretty. Now that one is a navy blue. And this one is a black. So nice. I think that label's part of that one. Don't worry if you're sending them and there's either no label on it. It doesn't matter to me. That is so pretty. That's a black, that one. The shade number for this one is 940. And that one is 640. That's nice. So there's a black one. It's the same double knitting. Oh, this is pretty. Peyton's Pearl Highlights double knitting. Oh, that's so pretty, that one. There's 50 grams in it. There's 100% acrylic, polyacrylic. There is no colour on it. It's just the shade number 6057. That is so pretty. Look at that. I'm muttly with that bag. I'm going to zoom down a little bit. Now, we'll just have to bear with Muttley playing with the bag. He hasn't had a bag to play with for a day or two. I gave him a shopping bag, but he wasn't very happy with it. And that is so pretty. Look at the colours in that. That's so pretty. I mean, even 50 grams on knit a baby hat. It'll knit a baby hat or a small toddler scarf. That is so nice. Now, I think this label belongs to this one. There we go. It's a new fashion double knitting wool craft. This is a pale blue, this one. The number for this one is 6F19 and it's a light blue and it's really soft. Woolcraft yarn is really soft. It's so pretty. And you put it even just with that dark and light. It's going to stand out so pretty. There's 100 grams in this one, and again it's 100% acrylic. I'm going to pop that to the side. And we've got another one, and that's a little pink one, same as that. This is another new fashion Woolcraft one. It's really soft. I really like the colours in this. Look at these lovely baby colours. They're so pretty, so pretty. And again it's 100 grams, 100% acrylic. Tells you again 40 centigrade to wash it, don't iron it, and to use a 4mm crochet or knitting needle with it. That's so pretty. But I've used a 5 with this Woolcraft double knitting. It tells you to use a 4, but I have used a 5mm crochet hook, and it crochets really well with a 5 as well. And we've got that little pink part, and don't worry about oddballs like this, they're always handy. I'm going to pop these in and get that other bag. Get Muttley to stay quiet. Muttley to stay quiet there. I've got some of that Woolcraft in a white, and with that black one I'm sure I've got another one that's the same colour upstairs. I think I might do some retro stuff, some black and white blankets. Or one. It's really nice for more like your teenage age. I get asked a lot that is the only baby blankets you do, and I know that there's been, when I did my man blanket, and I called it a man blanket, and it was a bit fun that I called it a man blanket, because my son says you make everything for babies and women, can you not make something for men or teenage guys? And could you not just make me a man blanket, please? That's why I called it a man blanket. No, you're not having that one, Muttley. Muttley's got his ball ready. No, you're not having it. You've got your bag. Go play with your own bag. This is lovely. Now, she told me, Yvonne told me that she put a cone of yarn in and would be able to use it. And yes, certainly would. And it's a Woolcraft again. I'm going to take that out of this little bag. We can give this little bag to Muttley. Oh, this is pretty. Now, she told me this was a 3-ply, and it's machine washable. It is a little bit thinner, but you can double it up, or you just use a smaller crochet hook and make something really nice and dainty with it. And I have got a vintage from 1920. I've got a pattern from a way back then, and it calls for 3-ply yarn, and I think I'll give it a go. I won't get such a big blanket on the vintage pattern, but I will certainly get one that I can use this with. So I will do a tutorial showing you some thinner yarn, because I do have quite a little bit of thinner yarn, and it's always nice to show people that you can use these thin yarns to make things. Now the shade number is 014, and it's a white. It tells you to use a 3¼ mm crochet hook, and to get it nice and lacy, I'm sure a 3.5 will be just as good. That's what I'm going to use. So that's what I'm going to use with that, Yvonne, and I will be able to use it. Now it says there there's 400 grams in this. I think some of it's been used, but it doesn't matter. There's at least 100 grams of that in there, maybe 150. But it's really nice. I will use that. I'm going to pop that there. And this is your baby double knitting yarn in white. This is a Poundland one. It's really pretty and it crochets up so well, this. And don't think for a minute that if you're buying yarn and it's only like 99p a ball, what a bargain. And it crochets up really nice. I mean, for double knitting, it's really, I've made quite a lot of items with this type of yarn. There's 100 grams in it. There's 300 meters. Do you know that label's exactly the same as this? I wonder if it's New Fashion that do it for them. Look at the labelling. Maybe just the way it's been printed is exactly the same. The label's exactly the same. So I'm wondering if it's actually Woolcraft that supply it for them. Usually it tells you who the supplier is. Confidence Textiles. Confidence in the yarn company. I don't know if it's the yarn company that owns this one. This one's from Bradford. It's made in the mills in Bradford. It doesn't tell you where this one's made, but it really looks, with the way the label's all printed, that it's the same. It's really pretty and soft yarn. And we've got this beautiful one. This is 214, the shade in that. It's a beautiful shade of peach. Look at that. And it's your New Fashion double knitting. And it's soft. It's really, really soft. So generous, Yvonne. There's 3 of that beautiful peach. I'll need to use that on a blanket. It's 100 grams, that's 300 meters. And this little bit, don't worry about the little bits, always come in handy. There's been quite a few times where I've crocheted something and I've needed a little bit for it. I'm going to pop them there. They are so pretty. Oh, there's another one of this black. That's brilliant. So we've got 2 balls of that, and we've got plenty of white. And the yarn on this is exactly the same thickness. It's even twisted the same. It's even got the same kind of twist in it as this one. I'll put that there, and this black one there. I've got this lovely red. Oh, that's lovely. Beautiful shade of red. Look at that. Lipstick red. And there's another peach one in there. Really, really popular. And it's a really pretty, it turned out beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This shade of red is absolutely matches my nail polish. Look at that. That's so nice. So it does. Yvonne, thank you so much for this. This is going to be amazing. I bought this other peach one. This peach one here. I think what I'll do is I'm going to show you something. Where is it? I've been doing this. I've done this in 2 different ways. Look at this blanket. I've been doing this little test blanket. Now, I've done this block before, but I didn't put a line in between. So I've put another row in between this cross block stitch. It's really pretty. There is one on my channel already, but it doesn't have that extra row in it. It's just got this cross block and it's done in sets of 4 stitches, and I've put a double crochet in between these blocks, and they're done with a treble crochet. And look at this, it's completely reversible, but it's so pretty in this lemon. It's really pretty, and you've got these lovely little holes. You can, if you want, thread ribbon up and down there and have maybe a contrasting ribbon running up and down there. This is so pretty. Now it's already on my channel with the English terms, and I've done this one slightly different for my other channel. This is what I've been making with some of the yarn that I got in one of my other Happy Meals. It's really pretty. It's just got a slight difference in the block. With this one, I've got a double crochet row in between the blocks. The one I've got on my channel, there's no row in between. It just goes straight from block to block to block like that. It's a really pretty lacy little blanket. I need to put another ball of yarn on and do this a little bit bigger. It's to put into it's for a small baby carrier, this one, and it's really pretty. So I'll pop that just back over there. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon, and YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. And thank you again, Yvonne. This is absolutely wonderful, and I will use it. So once again, everyone, please take care. Take care. Look after yourselves. Take care. And I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.